Bubo. Maraming salamat, Sheena. Thank you so much, our candidate, Bini Sheena. And last but not least, Stallion fans, sumigaw para sa ating candidate, Bini Stacy! Dinitiran niya eh. Yung wala ng tulong. Diniretso eh. Bini Stacy, yes?
Ay, wala na kita na. Ito na, from Jessie Marie Infantini, siya dinibigay talaga favorite of course during sa tourney niyo. What is the inspiration na gawin itong playful vibe and how the international audiences react to it?
Thank you so much, Mama Lee, for the wonderful question. Of course, we're very honored and grateful to be able to represent Philippine